Talk to me about a growth decision you made without data to back it up. How did it go, and what were some takeaways for you?
Yeah. I mean, at Mercury, there were a ton of these, especially early on, because we were a pretty small company at the time and we didn't have a ton of data to inform what we were doing. But one example of this is that, the experience that I had when I joined Mercury was the product is the differentiated experience. And so one idea we had was that, maybe we should build a product demo so people can see our product. But we thought about how to do that in a Mercury way. And we went and looked out at other demos. They either didn't exist or they kind of think about the value for the company. They try to extract an email. They try to walk you through these really annoying steps. You can't actually explore the product. And so what we built was a product demo where we just remove all the friction. You can see the product. You can go to demo.mercury.com. And we added a little open account button at the top. And we just put it out. We didn't know if it would work, but it was kind of an experiment. Let people see the product, play around with it. And if they want, they can decide to use it. The reception has been like wild from that. I mean, over 1,000 accounts have signed up. We've had some huge deposits. Basically, sales size deposits have come in without talking to anyone. It's become a huge growth lever, and it even helps with things like recruiting because employees see that and they're like, oh, that's like a really cool product. I want to go work there. That to me is the classic example of product-led growth and doing that explore versus exploit mindset was that we just launched something, put it out quickly, tried to see what would happen. And then, we've gone back to that for a bunch of wins. And it's turned out to be something that's hugely successful. But at that precipice, it was really just a hypothesis that like people want to see a product before they sign up for it. Let's do it in the way that we think we should do it. And it turned out to be hugely successful.